8 remaining question of class 10th mathematics, that is on page number 45. Okay, thank you. Now for question number 8. Basically, these are statement questions. So, read the statement of question number 8, that is, find two integers. Mean to say there are two integers, two numbers. These are tricky questions. He's asking that find two integers whose sum is 9. Mean to say, he's asking that in his mind there are two numbers whose sum is 9. Now we can say that there are a lot of numbers whose sum is 9. 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, 7 plus 2, 6 plus 3, and so on. So we can say that suppose two numbers are, I'm again saying this is the symbol of number. If I'm writing this symbol, it means number. Okay. We don't know about what are those two numbers. We can say that those two numbers are x and y. We don't know about the value of x and also for y. The first condition is their sum is 9. Mean to say x and y sum is addition, answer is 9. So you can say that x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. This is question number 1. Now we will move towards the second condition, that is difference of their squares. Difference means subtraction. Which difference? Between their squares. Mean to say x square and y square difference. Mean to say x square minus y square answer is also 9. So second condition, x square minus y square, that is also equal to 9. Now for this condition, you need to find out the values of x and y. So for this specific condition, we can solve it through this value, x plus y is equal to 9. We can say that from equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is x plus y is equal to 9. And from this, we can find either the value of x or the value of y. Okay, y will be negative there. So x is equal to 9 minus y, and this is equation number 3. Now we will put this value of x inside this equation. So put the value of x in equation number this equation. We can say that 9 minus y whole square minus y square. Instead of x, we are writing this value. We are putting this value 9 minus y and square on it. After that, minus y square is equal to 9. Now you can see that we have left with only the variable y. So we can easily find the value of y. So put this square, open a minus b whole square form. This is so a square plus b square minus 2ab. Know that a minus b whole square, that is a square. Know that a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This form. So we are opening this formula. According to this formula, we can say that 9 square plus y square minus 2a and b. So the value of a is 9 and the value of b is y. After that, minus y square is equal to 9. So This is y square positive and this is y square that is negative. Both are cancelled. 9 square that is 81. After that minus 2 9 are 18 y and this 9 will be negative here. It will be negative here and is equal to 0. So we can easily find the value of y. 81 minus 9 answer. Can calculate it. 81 minus that is 72 minus 18y is equal to 0. So find out the value of y. This negative 18 will be positive there and 18 will be divided there. So 72 divided by 18 that is
चलो जी
divided by
आपका जी
72 divided by that is 4. So 18 4 70. So we are left with value of y. The value of y here is 4. Now we need to find the value of x. So we can easily put this value of y inside this equation. Put y is equal to 4 in equation number 3. That is x is equal to 9 minus 4. So x is equal to 5. So basically, these are both two numbers which fulfill the conditions like x plus y is equal to 9, mean to say that 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and also for this condition 5 square minus 4 square also is equal to 9. Mean to say 5 square means 25 minus 4 square means 16. So 25 minus 16 also is equal to 9, and that's it. Now the next part. Question number 9. Same is the same question with you can say different parameters. Find two integers whose difference is 4 and squares differ by 72. I am only telling you how this question is going to solve. Otherwise, you can easily solve this. Find two integers into say two numbers whose difference means uh, between two numbers there will be negative sign minus sign. So suppose two numbers are x and y. So the first condition, that is difference x minus y is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1, and the second condition is same like previous question. Second condition, that is whose squares differ by, mean to say their squares difference, that is x square minus y square is equal to 72, and that's it. Now you can easily solve this question by applying the same rules which we have done within the previous part. Just you need to find the value of x here, negative y will be positive here, and you need to put the value of x inside this equation, and then you can get the value of x easily. Now for last part of this exercise 2.8. First of all, I'm going to tell you that what is perimeter. I'm sure you have done this thing within previous classes, what is perimeter of any shape? Suppose we have a shape of sphere. Sphere is a shape, rectangular type shape, four-sided closed shape, whose all sides are equal. This is sphere. So, what is its perimeter? If we are going to suppose that this length is 4 centimeter, if this is 4 centimeter, then for sphere, all the sides are equal. This is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter, because for sphere, all sides must be equal. So, what is its perimeter? You can say that perimeter. Perimeter definition is sum of all sides of any shape. Sum of all sides of any shape is called its perimeter. In class 8 mathematics or class 7 mathematics, some of the questions you have already done, like perimeter. If don't, then nothing to worry about that. This is a very simple thing. What is perimeter? Sum of all sides of any shape in the world. It is called perimeter. So the question is, what is perimeter? Suppose of this shape. So we can say that sum of all sides. Perimeter of this sphere. You can sum all the sides easily. This side is 4 centimeter plus, then this 4 centimeter, then this side, then this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides are going to sum. So its perimeter is, we are going to denote this perimeter by capital P, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 16 centimeter. And that's it. This was only an example that what is perimeter. I hope you can easily understand. Sum of all sides of any shape. This shape can be rectangle, this shape can be parallelogram or whatever. So now we can easily solve the question number 10. Find the dimensions of rectangle. Dimension means sides. Question number 10. Find dimensions of a rectangle. You know that what is rectangle shape? Rectangle is the four-sided shape whose opposite sides are equal. Not all sides are equal. Just like this whiteboard, this is of rectangular shape. So you can say that if this is a rectangle, you can see that its opposite sides are only equal. If this is x, then its opposite side will also be x. If this is y, then its opposite side will also be y. Its only opposite sides are equal. Not all sides are equal. These are its dimensions. So the question is, find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 8 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 80 centimeters. And its area is, so first we will talk about the first condition. So recently I told you that what was perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all sides of any shape. So what about this perimeter? Sum of all these sides, mean to say x plus y plus x plus y. So we can write it as, instead of perimeter we can write x plus y plus x plus y is equal to 80. So add the x plus x. What will be the answer of x plus x? X plus x answer is 2x. For y plus y answer is 2y. So plus 2y is equal to 80. We are doing such according to the given condition. So what is common here? You can see that 2 is common here. 2 is common, then x plus y is equal to 80. 2 is multiplying and we are going to divide here. So x plus y is equal to 80 divided by 2. We are solving just about first condition. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 0. X plus y is equal to 4. According to first condition, this was first condition. We are left with this one. Just like in previous question, x plus y will be any answer, or x minus y will be any answer. So we can easily find any value. This plus y will be negative there. So x is equal to 40 minus y. And this is still equation number 1. Now we are done with just only the first condition. Now we will discuss about the second condition. What is second condition? Second condition is find the dimensions of rectangle whose perimeter is 80 centimeter, which we have done recently. And after that, and its area is whose area? The rectangular area, that is 375 centimeters square. So second condition is area of rectangle, also given, that is 375 centimeters square. 375 centimeters square. Now, what about the area of rectangle? This thing you have already done within class 6, 7, 8, 9. Area of this shape. How we can find the area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle, that is length into width. I hope you can easily see this. Length into width. What will be length here? Suppose if this is length x, multiply that, then width is by length into width. So instead of writing area of rectangle, we can write x multiplied by 1, length into width is equal to 375. So still we don't have any value of x, still we don't have any value of y, but we can find it according to the previous condition. We have this value of x, that is 40 minus y. So we can put this value of x inside this equation. This is equation number 2. So put x is equal to 40 minus y, this 40 minus y in equation number 2. So after putting this, instead of x, we are going to put the value 40 minus y. 40 minus y. After that, again y is equal to 375. So you can multiply this y inside there. So 40y minus y square is equal to 375. Now this will going to become the quadratic equation. Because this y square is negative and these values will be positive there. This y square will be positive there and this 40y will be negative there. So you can write it as 0 is equal to y square. You are going to write according to the descending power order. Y square positive, after that negative 45, and then plus 375. Now this is, you can see that this is the quadratic equation. So, or you can write it as here y square minus 40y plus 375 is equal to. For this quadratic equation, you have three methods to solve. The first method is you can apply quadratic formula. The second method is you can find the values of variable with factorization method, or you can simply solve it through completing square methods. So if you are able to do the factorization easily here, then you can do it. Y square constant, that is 1 multiplied by 375. Its answer is 375. So we need to find the numbers, a pair whose multiplication answer is positive 375 and whose operating answer that is minus 40. So these numbers can be minus 25 and minus 15. After multiplying them, we can easily check this. Minus 25 minus 15, 375. Okay, we are done with it. This is the pair minus 25 and minus 15. So after midterm breaking, y square minus 25y minus 15y plus 375 is equal to 0. So this is midterm breaking. So what is common here? That is y. So y minus 25 will be here. After that, this is negative sign and then 15. So 15 will be here and then y, and this y will be negative just because of taking this negative sign common. So minus 15 multiplied by 25, that is 370. So you can see that both bracket expressions are same. So you can write it as y minus 25 and y minus 15, that is equal to 0. So separately you can find the values of y. The first value of y, that is y minus 25 is equal to 0, and then y minus 15 is equal to 0. After that, this is y is equal to 25 and this is y is equal to 15. And that's it. You can easily watch that we have done with the values of y. This means that we have two values of y, then we will have two values of x. So to find the values of x, we will use this equation. So this equation we can put the value of y here and get the value of x. So for y is equal to 25 and for y is equal to 15. From equation number, which equation, that is 1. Equation number 1, x is equal to 40 minus the value of y here is 25. So x value will be 15. So these one simultaneous equation we can write it in the form of ordered pair. So first we will write the value of x, then we will write the value of y. Either first side is 15 and second side will be 25, and for y is equal to 15 we will use this one, x is equal to 40 minus 15, this will be x equal to 25. So within ordered pair, you can write it as 25 x value and the y value, that is 15. You can see that if 15 is there, 25 is there. If 25 is there, then 15 is there. Both sides are available. First side is 15 and second side is 25. So this was your exercise number 2.8. So I hope you can easily get this. This was very longest chapter within your this mathematics book. After that, you can see that the very simplest methods, very easy chapters. This was the only chapter you can say that which is very long and tough according to the board practice. So now we will solve the MCQs of this chapter. This was exercise 2.8 complete, and now we will discuss about some MCQs. Basically, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 both are belongs to each other. We can simply summarize that what we have done till now. First, we have done what are quadratic equations, what are types of the equations, and then which methods to solve the quadratic equation, factorization, quadratic formula, and then completing square method. After that, we have done with reciprocal equation, radical equation, exponential equation, and after that, within chapter number 2, we are done with discriminants, nature of roots. 4 types of roots here are available within quadratic equation. After that, we have done with cube roots of unity. Then we have done with sum of roots and product of roots, alpha plus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, and then alpha beta that is equal to c over a. After that, we have done simultaneous equations, and also we have done how we can make the equation through its roots. If we have roots, then how we can make the equation that which equation that was. After that, we have done simultaneous equations, and still now we have done some statement questions relevant to this chapter. Now for MCQs of chapter number 2. That are on page number 45. So carefully you can solve it. The first is, if alpha and beta are roots of 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, you can say that this is the quadratic equation. And so find the value of alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta means sum of roots. Sum of roots. So alpha plus beta formula, that is equal to minus b over a. So first we need to find the values of a, b and c. So what is the value of a here? That is 3. The value of b here, that is plus 5, and the value of c, that is minus 2. So put these values inside here. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus. Then the value of b here is 5, and the value of a, that is 3. So alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus 5 over 3. So what is the right option to do? That is option number C. So you need to pick on option number C, that is minus 5 by 3. After that, second part, that is 7x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then find the value of alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta here? Alpha beta means the product of roots. Product of root, the formula that is alpha beta is equal to c over a. So we need to find the values of a, b and c. The value of a is 7, the value of b there is, what is x coefficient, that is negative 1. So you can write it as the value of c is 4. So put these values. The value of c is 4, the value of a is 7. So this is the right option. It must be option number 3. So we need to take on option number 3. For the next MCQ parts, we will solve in the next lecture, obviously. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or regarding previous lecture, you can ask it now. And thank you.
स्पीकर ऑन करना और स्पीकर कैमरा ऑन करना